converting documents to PDFs, why is this important? Again, you may have images, you may have Word documents. We are converting them into PDFs because you don't want the receiver to open your portfolio. And if they have, let's say, margins on their Word document set in a different way, it is going to change the formatting of your CV. And you don't want that, right? So PDF will just make one formatting constant for all of your documents. And it's a very powerful program, and converting documents to PDF is very easy. And it can be done in many, many ways. And I'm going to give you the simplest way. First of all, you open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and go to File. And you will click on Create. That's one way. And the easiest way is to create it from File. So I'm opening a single document, and you will see how I have here in my sample material. I'm going to try to make this a little bigger. A whole bunch of different file formats. I have Word documents, I have PNG, that's an image, I have PowerPoint, I have PDFs. So I have a variety of formats, right? So let me open an image. I can simply click on it. And how do I know it's an image? It has a .png. That's an image format. It could be .jpeg as well. But I want this Harlem_map to have PDF. So I'm just going to open it like that. Adobe Pro is going to convert it. So it's going to take a while. And there you go. It tells me now that it's an image, and it wants to convert text automatically into readable text. But for this case, I don't want to do it because it's going to take a while. So I'm just going to cancel it. So like I have my image file as a PDF, and I just need to save it. I'm going to save it as, I might open a new folder just because it's easier for you to navigate and to organize your files. Let's say PDFs, something that you are going to sort of store all your converted documents. You can do it like this, like I did, one by one, or you can open multiple files or convert multiple files at the same time. I'm not going to demonstrating that right now because it might take a while. But let me show you how. Again, you go to File, Create, and create multiple PDF files. And it will just combine them all at the same time, and you can just wait until it finishes conversion. Again, it might take a while. You also have a possibility to create PDFs from different formats, from scanner, from web page, from clipboard, but that's probably not the case. Just focus on creating PDF from file. Or if you want to do it for multiple files, but just make sure that it's going to take a while.